this morning. I'm having some avocado, making some boiled eggs. I'm making Tori her own batch because she knows it'll be faster in the smaller pot. And Tori's over here doing some work. She had class this morning early, so I got to sleep in, but now she's doing work for her next class for the day because she decided to slack this weekend.
She's overwhelmed and overworked because it's Davidson. Leave me alone.
But anyways, just wanted to give you guys an update on the day. I have class. I have all noon classes, so I'll be in class from 12 to 5, and then we work from 5 to 9, and then we work out after that. So, yeah, that's about it.
I'm just sitting there having a meeting. I have class this time. We got work and.
Thanks, honey.
I'm not saying you. I'm saying we. Like we do.
Oh, you do the same thing.
Every day, yeah.
Oh, we sold Tori's fridge to another student at a different campus, but they came over here and got it. Apparently, there's a bunch of campuses nearby that we don't really know about.
What school are they from?
I don't remember, but it was a HBCU.
Was it Fulton C. Smith?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not on type of ever.
I don't know any other schools around here. Every time I hear about one, I'm like, oh, there's a school within 2 hours around? But anyways, you can see that Tori's roommates kind of partied, and this is after their cleanup, so it's kind of messy.
That's my wine bottle for my car. So that's mine.
Well, you shouldn't say that on the video. I decided to help Tori clean, so I did all of her laundry and all of her everything. I cleaned it all by myself. So we got pins for her bed because the bed covers are like always coming off. Like there's, I don't know if it's because they have like the long twin mattresses, but those are always coming off, so she wanted to pin them down. It is gonna be up to almost 70 degrees today. How do you feel about that, Tori?
Thank God, I hate the cold. It's also February, the very beginning of February, so it shouldn't be this warm right now.
Yeah.
But I'm not complaining about it.
Oh, so nothing. It's water.
It smells good.
There's some burn off on the bottom of my pot. Anyway, so I made some homemade hot sauce. And I made it out of the habaneros. If you guys have seen the habanero challenge, we had to use the rest of those peppers. So I put like 5 in this batch. And it's actually not that spicy.
It's good, though.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's just like a little bit of kick to it. But anyways, as you can see, Tori is right. Hers is boiling faster, which is just like the way it would be anyways. But I just thought, hey, let's cook all of ours at once. But Tori was like, no, I don't.
I keep mine like fresh in the pot. I like to have a whole batch the whole week. Make them every day. I'm so stressed.
We're working out our brains. Tori's really stressed because she's catching up on her work.
Next time it's doing 8 minutes.
8 minutes, wow. I picked a good time to do this. I am not so stressed. I have most of my work done for today. It's currently 11:48. Can I talk? Did y'all see that?
I'm too mad.
See that sock action now?
I'm talking right now. I can't do that.
So, I was wanting to show you guys what I'm doing. So, this is my last artificial intelligence program. So, what this does is, it takes an 8 puzzle. So, I made this. And it is representative of one of those puzzles. So, like, you can slide around like one tile at a time, and you've got to get it to go like the blank slot through 8. So this is the goal state. So 0 is the blank, and then the rest of them are actual tiles. And the purpose of this program is to solve from a random state, so from here, and get to there in the shortest number of moves possible. So that's what I did. So I wrote all this code here. And I put a little visual in here so you guys can see the step-by-step process. So it shuffles the board 50 in here, if you see right there. This is the goal state in code form, but you guys probably don't care about that. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what I've been working on for the past 3 weeks. Randomize, shuffle, and then, as you can see, it finds the quickest way to get from point A to point B. So, that's my AI assignment for this week, or for the last 3 weeks. My assignment for this week is genetic programming. Is where you, or whoever had the original idea, tried to model actual genetics and do that with program structure. In real life, whenever your species, I guess, lives on, it'll pick certain traits over others to better the species overall over time.
Best fit.
Best fit. Thanks, honey.
Devour last year. I know all this.
Oh, so what'd you get in that class?
Love you.
She passed. So that's the overall goal, and you try to model that by programming to solve certain problems. And for some, it actually works really well. Most, it doesn't, just like most programs. But anyway, so you can either mutate by changing one part of your DNA or one part of the code, or you can like breed with another person's code and like randomly decide which one is exchanged with the other and create an offspring. And so the mutations in the offspring will continue in a life cycle and the rest die out. So like they try to model that, and that's what our task is for the next 3 weeks. So I'm working on that, and what is it? Artificial intelligence. I just told you guys about the 8 puzzle we solved. And in advanced lab this past week, I had my first round of presentations. That went okay. I did. Probably gonna get a B on it. I did okay. But it was a fun experiment. We were working with chaos. If you guys know anything about chaos and physics, it's kind of a cool, but it's not really talked about in the general public. It's like the butterfly effect. But this week in physics, we are doing stat and therm, which I took last semester, but this is the capstone course, so we get to go do actual experiments in it. And I'm doing mine on phase transitions, which doesn't really seem like stat and therm, but it is. And we're going to compare some stuff with that. Tori, you doing anything cool this week?
This week, I'm finalizing schedules for my first piece from my organization. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Did you tell them about your business in another video?
I'm really excited. I'll tell you guys about that later in different videos. It's going to be like a long video just kind of like what all we're doing and stuff. But
look at this sock, y'all.
Leave me alone. It's a dance thing.
It's a dance thing?
When I turn on my socks so much, it gets that friction, rubs them out really fast. Thanks for being blessed. I really appreciate it.
No problem,
Don't judge me. It's a judgment-free vlog.
But anyways, just wanted to update you guys, and this will be our weekly video. We're trying to post at least one post every Wednesday, and we'll probably increase our videos from there. But like we've been posting a couple like challenge videos. We got the habanero challenge and the fiance tag, so those are like extras, but we're trying to do one a week of just us. Anyways, subscribe and like. Right, Tori?
Right. Like, thumbs up.